Greetings, my lovely people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today is my birthday and I'm heading to the spa to get manicure and pedicure done. So come along with me while I treat myself today. Okay? Thank you so much for your love and support. Here I'm already at the spa and I'll be getting the luxury pedicure with champagne and brown sugar. Yes, I'm sitting in the massage chair while my feet are soaking. Okay. So, yes guys, so take a view of the spa. It's pretty clean. And yes, I come here every now and then to get things done. You know, we have to get some me time. Yes. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button and put that post notification bell on so you can be notified of future upload. So here I'm looking at my polish that I'll be using. And right now I'm getting a scrub. Yes. And over there we have the different polish to use, but for my toes I'll be using the gel polish, and for my fingers I'll be using the dipping powder. Yes guys, so now they're putting my feet in the bag with the champagne and the brown sugar while I'm getting a foot scrub or massage. Yes, and yes guys, it feel good. Them feet that work so hard, them need to get pampered. So that's what's going on right now. So I'm gonna be choosing from this color. So now I'm gonna get the polish on and the dipping powders on my finger. So she's doing my nails and putting on some design on my nails. And I'm at the Easy Nail Spa. And that's what my fingernails look like. And yes, I'm ready to go. A few hours at the spa. And now I'm leaving with nice nails, pedicure, manicure. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead, do the do, man. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. One love. Yeah, man.